Hello and welcome to Yescapa's Road Tips. In today's tutorial, we're showing you how to turn on the gas and use the stove in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. Locate the gas bottle compartment. Usually, the compartment is located at the rear or on the side of the vehicle. To open the bottle, simply turn the valve anti-clockwise. To close the bottle, turn the valve in the opposite direction. For safety reasons, remember to always turn off the gas when you're on the move. How to use the stove in a motorhome. To get started, make sure the gas bottle is open and locate the green button to switch on the gas. The black knobs, called selector switches, are used to light and adjust the temperature of the stove. To light the stove, turn the knob to its maximum position. At this point, you should hear the gas. Then, hold the knob down while approaching a lighter, match, gas lighter, or using the built-in ignition system. Once the flame burns steadily, you can release the knob. To turn off the gas, turn the knob back to its original position. If the ignition doesn't work, the bottle might be empty. If you have any doubts or if your vehicle works differently, don't hesitate to contact the owner for instructions on how to operate the gas and its appliances. You now know how to turn on the gas and use the stove in a motorhome, campervan, or converted van. For more advice, take a look at our other road tips videos. Safe travels and see you soon on Yescapa.